Hello everyone. Welcome back to Stoic Wisdom Today, and welcome to the final chapter of this journey. We've talked about peace, we've talked about pain, we've talked about virtue, values, death, service, and legacy. But all of it, every lesson, comes down to this simple truth. Your daily deed is your destiny. Not what you dream, not what you post, but what you do. Quietly, repeatedly, consistently. Let's begin. Part 1. Why destiny is built, not found. Found. People chase purpose. They search for legacy. They wait for their calling. But Stoicism flips that script. Seneca wrote, "Life is long if you know how to use it." Aurelius reminded, "What you do now echoes in eternity." The Stoics didn't wait for clarity, they created it, one daily act at a time. You don't find destiny, you do it today, then again tomorrow. Part 2. Repetition is identity. Epictetus said, "First say to yourself what you would be, then do what you have to do." That means, don't talk about discipline, be disciplined today. Don't dream of service, serve today. Don't wish for strength, act with strength now. The person you become equals the actions you repeat, equals the habits you allow, the values you demonstrate. Not once, daily. Part 3. Legacy is not a moment, it's a pattern. But in Stoicism, people think legacy is a big speech, a famous act, a final achievement. But in Stoicism, legacy is every time you don't lie, every time you act with calm, every moment you choose value over vanity. Destiny isn't built by drama, it's built by consistency. Part 4. Stoic Pillars of Daily Legacy. 1. Begin with the end every morning. Each day, remember, this could be my last full cycle. Let it count. Ask, who do I want to be today? What would the best version of me do, even in small things? Don't wait to get it right later. Legacy starts before breakfast. 2. Choose a virtue, then apply it everywhere. Pick one for the day. Patience, courage, justice, temperance. Now let that guide your words, your decisions, your reaction to frustration. The Stoic doesn't scatter. They anchor to one guiding flame. 3. Master the mundane. Legacy isn't just built in storms. It's built in traffic, in dishes, in silence, in saying no with grace, in emails written kindly. The way you do small things is the way you live large truths. 4. Use setbacks as legacy training. Not every day goes right, but every day teaches. Ask, what virtue was tested today? How can I respond next time with more grace? The Stoic doesn't need perfection. They need reflection, then realignment. 5. Let quiet consistency speak for you. Core, some people build attention. Stoics build character. Let your calendar prove your values. Let your presence be your philosophy. Let others feel better after interacting with you, even if they never say it. This is Stoic legacy in action. Part 5. Stoic quotes that anchor daily destiny. Well-being is attained by little and little, and nevertheless is no little thing itself. Zeno. Day by day, what you do is who you become. Heraclitus, adopted by Stoics. No man becomes great by accident. Seneca. Part 6. What daily legacy gives you? Direction without drama. Quiet pride. Confidence rooted in proof. Peace through alignment. A sense of purpose you don't need to explain. A reputation built on reliability. A life that matters, not loudly, but permanently. The world may not applaud your routine, but it will feel your impact. Part 7. Practices to build your destiny daily. Morning. Write one word to embody today. Midday. Ask, am I living the virtue I chose? Evening. Reflect. Did I leave a trace of character today? Track deeds, not likes. Recommit each morning, even after failure. You're not building a perfect legacy. You're building a faithful one. Conclusion. Leave it all in the day. No one sees all your quiet effort. No one notices all your small integrity. But that's okay. That's stoic. Because legacy isn't noise, it's echo. Your daily deed is your destiny. So do the deed. Do it again tomorrow. And let your life speak through action. Thank you for walking this 100-day journey with Stoic Wisdom today. This is not the end. It's the beginning of a life, fully lived, wisely built, and quietly unforgettable. Until we meet again, stay grounded, stay wise, and stay stoic.